If you have been longing to start content creation or build an online presence, but you don't like to show your face, then I've got something good for you. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing how you can absolutely start your own content creation or online business without showing your face, but using only your voice. Yes, I said that, only your voice. And no matter where you are or who you are, you can absolutely start this, and you even do not need any startup capital to do this. So if this video interests you, even if it's just a bit, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see and learn from this video. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Entrepreneurial Eriolua, and on this channel I help you to discover and uncover businesses and business opportunities that you're not even thinking of or you're not even seeing as business opportunities. And I teach you on how to grow and build your business, sharing my own practical business knowledge and lessons that I have learned from my entrepreneurship journey over time. So if this is something that interests you and you would continue and you like to continue to hear, please subscribe to the channel and join the family. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually turn your voice into a profitable venture. Yes, so you can create content using just your voice. You can do businesses with just your voice, and with only your voice, you can actually start earning income. Remember that in one of my videos that I discussed in the past, I talked about how you can turn your daily routines into money-making ventures. If you have not seen that video, you can watch it. I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video. So after watching this video, you can go to that video and watch so you can understand where we're coming from. And on that video, I talked about how you can use your voice, how talking can make you money. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing 3 ways in which you can actually turn your voice, or you can actually use your voice in making money and starting a viable business for yourself. The first way you can turn your voice into a profitable income is by doing voice licensing and royalty. What do I mean by voice licensing and royalty? Have you ever wondered the voices that you have on AI platforms like 11 Labs? Have you ever wondered how those voices come to, how they get about those voices and how they become part of the AI library? That is simply voice licensing and royalty. So you can actually record your own voice, go to platforms like 11 Labs. So this is how it works. For example, on 11 Labs, you can open a free account with 11 Labs. Then on your free account, you can upload audio of your voice, and after uploading the audio of your voice, you upload it to the library, voice library. When you upload it to the voice library, the 11 Labs team will actually confirm if the audio is audible enough, is good enough. And so once you have your voice approved, so you can actually earn some royalties when people get to use your voice. So you get paid based on usage of your voice, and that is voice licensing and royalty. The second way you can make income, or you can make money with your voice, is by voice over work. So let me explain more on that. Doing voice over work is simply using your voice to help people create content, to help people create jingles, to help people create promotion videos and what have you. So you can definitely use your voice to help people. If you have a good voice, you have a unique voice, or even if you have some character sort of voice, maybe you can talk like a baby, or you know how to just turn your voice into another character, or to express different characters in different voices. You can definitely use that. Apart from using it for voice royalty and voice licensing, you can use that in creating voiceovers for people who want to create gigs, people who want to create promotional videos and what have you. You can actually use your voice in voice over work. You can explore platforms like voices.com and Fiverr, where people actually are looking for people that can use their voices to create voice over works for them. The third way you can turn your voice into a sustainable income is by creating voice note vaults. This is simply doing voice note vault business. So what do I mean by voice note vault? Okay, let me break it down. So it's like taking a vault of voice notes based on any experiences you are sharing or anything you're teaching. So you can possibly teach people on 30 days of how to do maybe motivational talks, or even parenting, or even Bible or group teachings, religious based Bible studies, whatever it is. It can be based on your experiences as an entrepreneur. Typically anything that you can teach people. So you get to create voice notes in like maybe between 2 to 10 minutes long, just something short, and then you put together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 30 days length of voice notes, and you can package that together and create a vault of voice notes, and you can have it on platforms that can help you to be able to sell out these voice notes to the audience who are typically itching, who are typically longing to hear and to learn from your experiences. And I found a suitable platform that can actually help you to put your voice note vault business to start, and that platform is the Mainstack platform. See, with Mainstack, anybody can actually sell out their businesses to any part of the world, because Mainstack actually allows over 130 different currencies for payment. So the Mainstack platform is going to help you. It is very easy to navigate. I'm going to drop the link to the Mainstack platform on the description of this video. Please feel free to click through it and scan through it and explore, and then create your own free account. Even if you have not started putting together your voice note vault, you can definitely create your Mainstack account, and then that will give you a mind that you have something that you've actually started. So get into the description of this video and click on the Mainstack link that is there, so that you can explore and create your own free account. With your voice note vault, you can allow people to pay based on subscription, or to pay per week or even per day as they access your voice note. And then the Mainstack platform is so the Mainstack platform is so fantastic in the sense that it can be your landing page, it can be a website for you. You don't need to go over the hassle of trying to create your own landing page or even creating another website. Everything can be totally found on the Mainstack platform. It's just the perfect platform to help any creator to be able to scale their businesses. The good thing also is that you can integrate all your social media handles on the Mainstack platform. You can list out your products if you have products. You can list out your digital products, your physical products. It can build you an e-commerce website, whatever it is. So try out and just check through that Mainstack platform, create your free account, and start from there. And you will definitely be also impacting lives through your voice note and through your teachings. So don't think that you don't have anything to offer, because actually where you are is where somebody is wishing that they were at. So whatever you can definitely use it to impact other lives, to push other people forward, and don't sleep on it. Take action right now. Click the link in the description and then join on with your free account and start exploring the Mainstack platform right now. So this video is just to help you get educated and informed. Please do your due diligence and research properly before you get into any of these business ideas that I have discussed. And I hope that this video has helped you in one way or the other. Please let me know in the comment section which one of these businesses that you're looking to start right away, especially if you're camera shy, okay? You have someone rooting for you. I'm always going out there to bring more opportunities to you for you to explore. So if you don't want to miss out on any one of the next set of videos I'm going to be posting, please hit the subscribe button now and share this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and don't forget to keep taking action. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.